You ever ride them?
Oh no, I've seen them ridden before. But I've never ridden one. All of them are pretty wild except for him.
Give me that picture. Hold on, you recording? You have a zebra here. Wild exotic zebra. See me rubbing? Oh yeah. Oh, I want me one of these. I'm gonna give me one. Hey man. Hey man. What this one name is?
Zeus.
Zeus. It's like a horse though.
Yeah, their hair is so short that it almost doesn't feel like hair. It's almost like they're painted on.
Still recording?
They're always told not to have a tame zebra male. We didn't realize he was tame when we bought him, but he's never given me any problems at all.
So normally they are aggressive?
They can, the males can be, yeah.
Stop touching them, Cloud. The zebra.
So these are the ones that have the babies?
Yeah. I've got 6 females. 3 in with Zeus and 3 in with Ugly Group. Y'all want to see the kangaroos?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Prairie dogs. Seen them on Animal Planet.
wait, yeah, I see someone go down there.
Like prairie dogs.
Oh, one right there. There one right there.
So we can't have these. So these are like hamsters.
Kind of. Yeah, they're more closer to a squirrel. Like they're kind of a ground squirrel. What I've got bricks, about a foot and a half deep down there, a row of bricks, and the wire goes down to the bricks. I poured concrete around the wire, so they can't get out. We don't sell these; they're just something we have. Get a kick out of watching them. Yeah, we sell them to the dogs.
They have to get that giant keys like the livestock keys.
Yeah, they're mostly grazers. Donkeys, it's best not to give them a lot of feed. It gets real fat. It's not good for them. You got Galapagos, the big ones you see at the zoo, look like about that wide. Those are the biggest. Then you have Dobra, and then you have
So beautiful.
the males are one of the fastest females. Now, they don't like to be petted on the head. They like to have them petted on the back.
What about the other one?
The other one's a male. He's wild. She has a baby in her pouch. It's not big enough to be sticking his head out yet. Yeah, I know. You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
She come from Australia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you ever see them boxing?
No, not really. That's usually when they're fighting for territory, and we've only got one male. And don't go back there by the male because he's scared. You'll be bouncing off fences. Whoops. They scared you, huh?
I wonder why her fur feels so soft.
Yeah. And the females stay fairly small, but 50 to 70 pounds. The males can get up to 200 pounds. our male back there is just a couple of years old. I mean, we're close to that.
Don't do so bad.
Okay, we didn't have anything. You're going back to bed, huh?
Oh, she was laying back there asleep.
Yeah.
She probably still recovering from the baby.
Yeah. Yeah. One of them is her baby, the smaller one. The other one's a wild deer that jumped in. Jumped over the fence and came in.
Now these look smaller than, oh, these are the babies.
No, that's just another group. And they may be a little smaller, these others are heavier. They're also down in a kind of it drops off right there.